So today I'm going to show you an old-fashioned way to make the yummiest icing for rolled sugar cookies. I use a whisk to break up the butter and just sort of whip it a bit, and then use your measuring cup and just start adding in some powdered sugar and mix it. It's going to be really thick. This is what it's like after adding 2 cups of the sifted powdered sugar. Now I'm going to put about a quarter of a teaspoon. I'm just going to pour a little in, let's be honest, and of the flavoring, and then I will add some milk. This first icing is super thick. It is 1 tablespoon and 2 teaspoons of milk have been added. Now I'm going to add the coloring, and it can be used for piping. So this first batch is really thick, and we are going to pipe with it.